Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Often I am asked why butler schools are so expensive. They are in expensive countries, they have facilities to maintain, they have limited number of seats to sell, and they are pretty aware once the students pass out of the school, they are in a position to earn 3 to 5 times more earnings. My name is Prem Anand, butler coach. I have been serving as butler household manager in United Kingdom for over 20 years. I've been training butlers from 2014 for London agencies and hotels. For the first time, I launched London Butler Academy to reach the pupils direct. This is to serve people with sincere hearts who want to serve. And as I see myself in your position, I would love that you, at the end of 3 months, have the skill set to thrive and grown as a person. I would have loved such an opportunity when I started my career. But here I am. I'm happy to be by your side to make the transformation. I am looking forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.